Cachexia is a wasting syndrome commonly associated with A. Diabetes, B. Cancer, C. Cystic fibrosis, D. In cachexia, which nutrients undergo accelerated degradation? A. Glucose, proteins, and fats. B. Only proteins. C. Only fats. D. Only glucose. Treatments aimed at increasing appetite in cachexia patients typically lead to A. Protein restoration, B. Muscle growth, C. Fat gain, D. Increased glucose levels. Enzyme replacement therapies are often used to treat A. Peroxisomal disorders, B. Lysosomal storage disorders, C. Mitochondrial disorders, D. Protein synthesis disorders. Which fatty acid type requires CPT and carnitine for mitochondrial entry? A. Short-chain fatty acids, B. Medium-chain fatty acids, C. Long-chain fatty acids, D. Polyunsaturated fatty acids. Which syndrome results in the accumulation of harmful fatty acids due to a peroxisomal defect? A. Zellweger syndrome, B. Cystic fibrosis, C. Gaucher's disease. What causes the accumulation of lipids and carbohydrates in lysosomal storage disorders? A. Lack of mitochondrial enzymes, B. Excess glucose intake, C. Deficiency in lysosomal enzymes, D. Excessive protein breakdown. Which of the following is a primary cause of ketoacidosis in patients? A. Excess glucose production, B. Excess protein synthesis, C. Overproduction of ketone bodies, D. Decreased fatty acid metabolism. What happens when acetylous CoA is produced in excess during fat metabolism? A. Increased ATP production, B. Increased protein degradation, C. Formation of ketone bodies. Which condition is characterized by extreme nutrient deficiencies, including glucose and fat depletion? A. Tay-Sachs disease, B. Gaucher's disease, C. Anorexia nervosa, D. Zellweger syndrome. Cachexia is most commonly associated with which type of patient? A. Epilepsy patients, B. Cancer patients, C. Diabetes patients, D. Mitochondrial disorder patients. Which disorder is related to impaired protein degradation in the body? A. Tay-Sachs disease, B. Gaucher's disease, C. Cystic fibrosis, D. X-linked adrenoleukodystrophy. Why are enzyme replacement therapies expensive? A. They replace all proteins in the body. B. They are specific to lysosomal storage disorders. C. They enhance glucose production. D. They replace mitochondrial enzymes. How does carnitine deficiency affect energy production? A. It prevents glucose uptake. B. It hinders long-chain fatty acid utilization. C. It increases ATP production. D. It accelerates protein degradation. Which metabolic condition occurs when the liver cannot adequately process fatty acids? A. Gluconeogenesis. B. Lipid oxidation. C. Ketoacidosis. D. Fatty acid synthesis. In what disorder does fat accumulate in the lysosomes due to enzyme deficiency? A. Tay-Sachs disease. B. X-linked adrenoleukodystrophy. C. Cystic fibrosis. D. Mitochondrial disorder. What is the primary energy source for the brain during fasting or carbohydrate restriction? A. Amino acids. B. Glucose. C. Fatty acids. D. Ketones. Which of the following causes neurological deficits due to the accumulation of undigested materials? A. Lysosomal storage disorders. B. Glucose metabolism disorders. C. Mitochondrial disorders. D. Peroxisomal disorders. Why do some cancer patients gain weight but not muscle when treated for cachexia? A. Their protein synthesis is increased. B. They are treated with high-protein diets. C. Fat is gained instead of muscle. D. Their glucose levels are restored. Which syndrome is associated with a genetic inability to metabolize very long-chain fatty acids? A. Tay-Sachs disease. B. X-linked adrenoleukodystrophy. C. Gaucher's disease. D. Zellweger syndrome.